Hello my dear students. So in our last session we already discussed about PU concept related on matrices and determinants, right? So today we will discuss JEE concept related on the same topic, that is nothing but matrices and determinant. So for your JEE exam they may ask 2 to 3 questions from this topic. Okay, so before going to solve the problems, first we know some basic definition. So in that first one, so trace of a matrix. So what is trace of a matrix? Hagadre trace of a matrix andre enu definition. So trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of the elements of the square matrix lying along the main diagonal is nothing but trace of a matrix. Okay, definition. What is trace of a matrix? The sum of the elements of the square matrix A lying along the main diagonal is called it as trace of a matrix, and it is denoted by trace of A, and it is denoted by trace of A. Next slide. And it is denoted by trace of A if A is equal to Aij of order n cross n. So n cross n is nothing but square matrix. Then trace of A. Then next slide. Then trace of A is always equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n A is always equal to A11 plus A22 plus A33 plus so on up to last element ANN is nothing but trace of a matrix. What is the definition of trace of a matrix? The sum of elements of the square matrix A lying along the main diagonal is nothing but trace of a matrix. For example, so in general matrix A, or you take example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So it should be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So 3 cross 3 square matrix, right? So 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1 or 1, 2, 4. What is the value of trace of A? So the trace of A and the value. So trace of A is nothing but sum of the elements of the square matrix lying along the diagonal. So sum the diagonal elements, nodi. The sum is nothing but trace of A. So 1 plus 4 which is equal to 6. Therefore trace of A is equal to 6. This is the value of trace of A. Clear? Okay. So definition mele some problems na solve madidre namage idea barutte. Okay, next problems. So next problems, before that some properties related on trace of a matrix. So in that first one, let A is equal to Aij of order n cross n, B is equal to Bij of order n cross n. That should be a square matrix, and let K be any scalar. Then first one, so trace of K into A is always equal to K into trace of A. So trace of K into A is always equal to what? K into trace of A. Second one. So second one, so trace of A plus B. Trace of A plus B is always equal to trace of A plus trace of B. Okay. So third property. So third one, trace of AB. Trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. Trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. Okay, next. Trace of AB is equal to trace of A. So these are the properties of trace of a matrix. So next problems. In that first one. So consider 3 matrix. A is equal to 2, 1, 4, 1, B is equal to 3, 4, 2, 3, and C is equal to 3, minus 4, minus 2, 3. Then the value of sum trace of A plus trace of ABC by 2 plus trace of A into BC whole square divided by 4 plus trace of A into B, C whole cube divided by plus so on up to infinity is equal to. So we have to find the total values which is equal to. So agade total value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, solution. So given matrix A. So matrix A is equal to, so 2 1 4 1. So matrix B is equal to 3 4 2 3. Okay, and matrix C is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2 3. So we have to find total value. So option A 6, B 9, C 12, D none of this. So look at here. So nodi, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ 3 4 2 3. Okay, so 3 minus 4 minus 2 3. So by using matrix multiplication, so 3 3s are 9. So minus 4 2s are 8. So next minus 12 plus 4 3s are 12. Okay, next 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are minus 6. So minus 8 plus 9. So which is equal to, so directly we get what, identity matrix. So 1 0 0 1. So this is nothing but identity matrix. That means BC is always equal to identity matrix. If in case BC square, that means I into I, BC square can be written as BC into BC, I into I square, again we get identity matrix. In the same way BC whole cube, again identity matrix, right? So BC identity matrix, BC square identity matrix, again BC whole cube, again we get identity matrix. So look at here. So consider trace of A. So consider so trace of A plus, so trace of ABC divided by 2 plus trace of A BC whole square divided by 4 plus trace of A into B C whole cube divided by 8 plus so on up to infinity is equal to. So already ನಾವು BC ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. BC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ BC ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ A ಪ್ಲಸ್, so trace of A into, so BC is nothing but what, identity matrix divided by 2 plus trace of A into, again BC square is nothing but identity matrix divided by 4 plus trace of A into I divided by 8 plus on up to infinity, so on up to infinity. Again next step, so trace of A plus trace of, so A into identity matrix, again we get matrix itself. So A divided by 2 plus trace of A divided by 4 plus trace of A divided by 8 plus on up to infinity. Okay, next step block ಮಾಡಿ. Next step, so trace of A. So by using properties of trace of a matrix, A by 2 can be written as, that means trace of K into A can be written as K into trace of A. In a same way trace of A by 2 can be written as, trace of A by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into A, so which can be written as 1 by 2 into trace of A. So direct agi substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so which is equal to, so trace of A plus trace of a by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into trace of a plus trace of a by 4 can be written as 1 by 4 into trace of a plus 1 by 8 into trace of a plus so on up to infinity. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2 ಇಂಟು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, 1 by 4 ಇಂಟು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 1 by 8 ಇಂಟು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನು? ಇಫ್ a1 a2 a3 so on up to an be a sequence in geometric progression. So r value ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So ratio between preceding terms. So a2 by a1 is always equal to a3 by a2 so on, right? So in the same way, so ನೋಡಿ, a1 a2 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? r value r is equal to, so r is nothing but, so ನೋಡಿ second term, so 1 by 2 into trace of a divided by trace of a. So trace of a cancel, we get 1 by 2. In the same way, so next element to check ಮಾಡಿ. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? r is equal to next term, third term divided by second term. So 1 by 4 into trace of a divided by 1 divided by 2 into trace of a. Clear? So ನೋಡಿ, trace of a get cancel. Second, 2 ones are 2 2s are, which is equal to again 1 by 2. So this is nothing but geometric progression. Common ratio ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? 1 by 2. Okay. So in geometric progression, how to find infinite term? See here, plus up to plus infinity. How to find infinite term in geometric progression? Is there any formula? Yes. S infinity is equal to formula. S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, where r less than 1 less than 0. So s infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r, where r lies between 0 and 1. So in the same way, so s infinity, so total value which is equal to, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? total value which is equal to, see here, a value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? trace of a divided by 1 minus r value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2. r value 1 by 2. So which is equal to trace of a divided by, so take LCM, 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, take it into numerator, 2 into trace of a. Clear? So agare trace of a value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You already know that how to find trace of a. So a value ಏನಿದೆ? So see here, a is equal to, so 2 1 4 1. Then trace of a is nothing but sum of the elements of the square matrix lying along the main diagonal. Sum of the elements ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. So direct ಆಗಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Which is equal to 2 into trace of a value 3. So 3 2s are 6. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? So total value which is equal to 6. Okay, write first. So option ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? option A 6, option B 9, option C 12, option D none. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? option A. So option A 6. Okay, next problem. Wait. So see here, option A which is equal to 6. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು trace of A definition and S infinity formula. S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. R lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Second one. So second problem. So find the value of lambda for which the matrix product. Next. Find the value of lambda for the matrix product. So nodi. So first matrix 2 0 7 0 1 0 1 minus 2 1. Second matrix into minus lambda 14 lambda 17 lambda 0 1 6 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda is an identity matrix. That means the product of two matrix should be equal to what? Identity matrix. So 3 cross 3 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, option A. Option A 1 by 2, option B 1 by 3, option C 1 by 5, option D does not exist. Okay, solution. So first you consider the two matrix. They already given product of two matrix is equal to what? Identity matrix. So consider two matrix. So 2 0 7, next 0 1 0 1 minus 2 1. So second matrix, so minus lambda 14 lambda 7 lambda. So next 0 1 6 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda, which is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. While solving these type of problems, no need to find all the elements. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನನಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು 0 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 7 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 1. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಇಂಟು 14 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 28 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 ಇಂಟು 1 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 21 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಸಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 lambda plus 7 lambda. Finally we get 5 lambda is equal to 1 by 5. Lambda is equal to 1 by 5. So see here 28 lambda minus 21 lambda. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 7 lambda which is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 0 by 7. We get 0. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ 0 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? 1 by 5. Therefore lambda does not exist or doesn't exist. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by 5. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 0. Therefore lambda does not exist. So option D does not exist. Clear? Okay, right. Next problem. Next one. Third one. Okay, next one. So next one. If matrix A is equal to 1 0 1 by 2 1, then A power 100 is equal to. So we want to find the value of A power 100. So option A 1 0 51, option B 1 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 to the power of 100 into 1, option C 1 0 25 0, option D none of this. So we have to find A power 100 value. Before that they already given matrix A. First we should find A square value, A power 4 value, then only we get A power 100. So solution, consider ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎ ಪವರ್ 100 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ, ರೈಟ್? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ 1 0 1 by 2 1 into 1 0 1 by 2 1. So by using matrix multiplication 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 by 2, 0. First row, second column, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So 1 by 2, second row, first column, 1 by 2 into 1, 1 divided by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2, what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Clear? Which is equal to, so 1, 0, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, what? 1. 1. So which is equal to 1, 0. So 1 can be written as 1 agade ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So 2 into 1 by 2 ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. So 1 can be written as 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, because 2 to get cancel, again we get 1. This is the value of what? A square. So A square value ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? 1, 0, 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. So next we have to find what? A cube value. A cube can be written as A square into A, right? A square into A. So A square is nothing but 1, 0. So 2 into 1 by 2, 1. So A value 1, 0, 1 by 2, 1. Again by using matrix multiplication. First row, first column, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 1 by 2, 0. So 1. So 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Okay. Next, 2 into 1 by 2. That means 1, 1 into 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 2 into 1 by 2. This value is equal to 1. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So next, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So next, so A cube is equal to, see here, 1, 0. So this, take it as LCM, 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 1, 0. So 3 by 2 can be written as, can I write 3 by 2? 1 into 3 into 1 by 2 bariboda? Yes. 3 into 1, 3 by 2 into 1. So observe ಮಾಡಿ, A square value ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1, 0, 2 into 1 by 2, 0, 2 into 1 by 2, 1. In a same way, A cube ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ? 1, 0, 1, 0, 3 into 1 by 2 into 1. So square ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ? 2 into 1 by 2. Cubic ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ? 3 into 1 by 3. If I proceeding like this, so finally A power 100 ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. A power 100 can be written as, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, 3, 3, 2, 2. So A power 100 can be written as, so 1, 0, 100 times of 1 by 2 into 1. So which is equal to 1, 0, 100 by 2, 51. Okay, A power 100 is equal to 1, 0, 51. Option see, option A, 1, 0, 51, A power 100. Okay, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟು A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ A ಪವರ್ 100 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Okay, next problem. Next one. Next one. Next problem. See, if matrix A is equal to, if matrix I is equal to identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, J is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0, and B is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then B. So we have to find the value of B. Option A, I cos theta plus J sin theta. Option B, I cos theta minus J sin theta. Option C, I sin theta plus J cos theta. Option D, minus I cos theta plus J sin theta. So we have to find the value of matrix B. we have to find the value of matrix B which is equal to ಅಂದ್ರೆ matrix B value is equal to ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ matrix B. consider so matrix B they already given, right? Matrix B is equal to cos theta sin theta, next minus sin theta cos theta. So again matrix B can be written as, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ matrix B ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? So see here, so cos theta 0 0 cos theta plus 0 cos theta plus 0 sin theta minus sin theta 0. Can I write like this matrix B? So nodi cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta can be written as cos theta into 0 0 cos theta plus 0 sin theta minus sin theta 0. If I adding two matrix, again we get same matrix. See, cos theta plus 0 cos theta, sin theta plus 0 sin theta, 0 minus sin theta cos theta plus 0 we get cos theta. So B can be written as ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ cos theta ಕಾಮನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, cos theta ಕಾಮನ್, ಸೊ 1 0 0 1 plus see here sin theta common, so 0 1 minus 1 0, right? Cos theta ಅಂತ ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, sin theta ಅಂತ ತೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. So cos theta, so 1001 is nothing but they already given what I value, so which is equal to I plus sin theta, right? So 0 1 minus 1 0 is nothing but they already given what j, which is equal to j. Therefore, so matrix B is equal to I cos theta plus j sin theta. Matrix B should be equal to I cos theta plus j sin theta. Option A correct. I cos theta plus j sin theta. Okay, right first.